Hi everyone, and you are on day 22. One more day after today, and congrats on working with me on this holiday hustle. We're gonna get started, 5 minutes on the clock, forearm plank, 3, 2, 1, meet me down here. Good, go ahead and let your palms come together so your thumbs are up and your fingertips are forward. And just start to feel the sensation of plank. Now roll onto your left forearm, scissor your feet, reach up for me. Dip 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Hold. Come into forearm plank. Now put the weight into the right. So I'm going to drop my tail towards you. Top arm up. Dip 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Come back to center. Forearm plank. So forearms are down, heels are back, chest is forward. Exhale, high plank, press it up. Now, knee down tricep push-ups or regular. 5, press. 4, press. 3, press. 2, press. One more rep. Good, press. Nice. Exhale, tabletop, hands and knees. Tuck your toes, lift your knees. Hover. Good. Start to find the fire. Tap, tap. You've got 8, 7, 6, feel that core, come on, 5, shoulders burning, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift your hips, walk your hands forward, down dog. Now raise your right leg up high. Exhale, tap your right elbow. Reach your leg up, tap your left elbow. Reach your leg up, bring your knee to your nose. Good, reach your leg up, hold it, switch. Raise your left leg high, exhale, tap your left elbow. Reach it up. Tap your right elbow, crunch, reach it up. Knee to nose, reach it up high. Good, exhale, release your feet. Now drop your knees. Good, flip over onto your back for me, okay? Lay down onto your back, plant your feet. Exhale, reach left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Good, you're here for 8, 8, 7, 7, side to side, penguin or turtle, heard it called both of those, plus ankle taps in 3, 2, 1. Good. Now, draw your belly in and down, spinal imprint. Keep that spinal imprint. Exhale, knees to 90. Good. Reverse crunch. Exhale, down, tap your heels. 4 more. Reverse crunch, spinal imprint, tap your heels. Reverse crunch, spinal imprint, tap your heels. That's 3. Reverse crunch, spinal imprint, 4. Last rep, you've got it. Up, down, heel tap. Good. Neutral. Exhale, legs in the air. Reach up and over and over and over. Good. You're here for 8 and 8, 7, 7. We've got 6 and 6. Good. 5 and 5. And then let's finish this up right here. This is 3. This is 2. And then 1, 1. Good. Make, that flip back to your forearms. So forearms come down. Good. Pivot to one side. Dip. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center. Hold. Other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to center. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. High plank. Lift your hips, down dog. Good. Right leg rises. Inhale. Tap your right elbow. Exhale. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist to the opposite elbow. Inhale, lift. Knee to nose. Good. Inhale, lift. Release and switch. Left leg lifts. Left elbow, tap. Reach. Right elbow, tap. Reach. Knee to nose. Good. Reach. Lower your feet. Good. Plank. Knees down. Hands walk back. You pick up those knees. We tap, tap, This is the finish line, guys. Good, maybe you just hold. Otherwise, you tap it with me. Good, get to the end. Yes, you can, yes, you can. Come on, last few reps right here with me. Do this, done. Woo, way to work today. We have one day left. I'll see you tomorrow.